So today we are going to bake black sesame cookies. Some of you might be like, hello, it's already on your channel. And yes, indeed, it is already on my channel. In fact, it is one of the most popular recipes on my channel. The reason why I am revisiting this recipe is because I read through all the comments, noticed that a couple people gave me feedback that the cookie's on the sweeter side. And I would have to agree with you. The reason why the cookie was on the sweeter side is because the recipe was inspired by the famous bakery in New York called Levain. Their cookie is known for very moist and like chewy, soft inside and kind of like crusty outside. And to achieve that texture and flavor, you just have to pour sugar in. So I kind of wanted to maintain that texture and flavor. That's why the old recipe contains a lot of sugar compared to my other recipes. Anyways, that was too much information. I wanted to make sure that I respond to your feedback. That's why I decided to revisit this recipe. So the update to the recipe, obviously, it's less sweet. I reduced the amount of sugar by like 10 to 20%, and I also reduced the amount of white chocolate chip. The next update is the cookie's nuttier. I added more black sesame paste to the cookie, so it's more 고소해. Yeah, nutty is not enough to describe 고소해. Lastly, it's slightly tiny bit more healthier. So I replaced the portion of flour with brown rice flour, which is healthier than regular flour. So brown rice flour is gluten-free and also made out of whole grain. So another benefit of using brown rice flour is that it naturally has that nuttier flavor compared to regular flour. So it kind of helps to accentuate nutty flavor, and so that's why I decided to replace the portion of flour with brown rice flour. Brown rice flour. It's so hard to pronounce because it has so much R, and Koreans are not trained to pronounce R sound. Like, we don't really have that in Korean. That's why I don't really like R. So hopefully you like the updates to recipe, and please leave the comments below if you have any other recipes that you want me to try. Let's get started.